Alright, today we'll understand the concept of BigQuery. So first is the introduction. So what is BigQuery? So BigQuery is nothing but a serverless data warehouse. Please note it is a data warehouse and not a database. That is, it can support OLAP queries or the OLAP workloads, not the OLTP type. Also, BigQuery supports SQL queries. If you're familiar with SQL, then it is very helpful. Third thing, since it's a serverless, so we don't need to manage or need any kind of administrator to get the patches or updates done for it. It's everything is self-managed. Also, BigQuery supports business intelligence and helpful in like machine learning as well. Those things. Next, so let's get down to hands-on. So first we'll be creating the data sets. Let's get to the console. So the console looks something like this. BigQuery, we can find it here as well. Also, we can navigate here as well, or we can also write in the search bar. So this looks good. Let's click on BigQuery. All right, we are at the BigQuery studio now. So let's first create a data set, because that is the first step, right? Create a data set. Let's create it. Let's name it Cloud Guru Amit. Please note that dataset name will be used in the query, so you need to be careful what dataset we are using. Also, project ID is important because these things will be used in the query. Next is the location type. So BigQuery also allows regional location type, also multi-region for high ability, those kind of thing. So we'll use multi-region. US multiple looks good. Let's go ahead and click the dataset. So Cloud Guru Amit dataset is created. So next step for us is to create the specialty table. So dataset, let me explain you one thing. Like dataset can contain multiple tables. So we have created one table like this. So we can create multiple as well. So let's go ahead with creating table. So here we have like the create table from where it supports multiple multi cloud environment as well. Amazon S3 is from AWS, Azure is from definitely Microsoft Azure. Also, we can upload it from local computer. So anyhow we can use. So for this demo, let's upload a file from our local computer and show it. So I want to show you the file, how it looks. In our local computer, we have a dummy file. This is a CSV file. Basically, this is where we are going to upload in our BigQuery. Let's go to BigQuery console. Let's click on upload. So here we got a section for select a file. Let's browse from our local computer. All right, we got the file. Let's now browse this dummy file. Double click on it. We can see it automatically infers the file format, which is CSV. There are many file formats though. Avro, Parquet, ORC, these are supported. But for this demo, CSV looks good. So dataset, since we have already created from the previous step, so this looks good. Cloud Guru Amit. Next, we need to mention a table name. So let's mention table name. Table name again will be used in the query. Let's do it. Schema, let BigQuery detect the schema. This is also a good feature. Let's now go ahead and create the table. So it takes a while to create the table. So its job is created. All right, so we got the table created. Now we can query it. There is like a query here. I have already done my homework. So let's copy paste this thing. Okay, let's copy paste everything. Maybe let's paste it. The project ID is this one. Let's cut this and paste it here. Let's format it out. So you need to make sure like the format goes select column name from project ID, then the dataset ID, then the table name. So that's how it goes. So let's run this for now. Let's do a also. We can also do a select star this thing. Let's do Control C. We'll paste it later. Let's delete it. Let's run this. So yeah, we got the output of the query because age 29. Let me now expand and do the select star to show you what the CSV data looks like, so that you get a clear idea that we are getting the correct output. Since in the previous step we have mentioned age greater than 29, so if you look here, age greater than 29 qualifies in this ID 3 and 4. Are we getting this output? Yes, we are getting Noora Varun, that is ID, the data for ID 3 and 4, that is age 60, 69 and 33. So that's what the tutorial for BigQuery goes. I hope you found it helpful. We have covered all these steps. That is, we have created a dataset ID, we have ingested .csv file from a local computer, queried the data, which we currently do, and now let's tackle some quiz to clear out our concept more.